Hi, I'm Johnson, working as a factory manager in A-Tex home collection. We started our new factory in this year. We plan to modernize our factory. At the time, we are tied with Skylift Consulting and we are working from past 7 months. Now we are drive our approach in a systematic way and collect effective data in all the departments with visual results. They are re-engineering our process and standardize the method in all the key areas. It helps to improve our efficiency and quality level, to control our MMR, absenteeism and attrition level, to monitoring our CPM, to reduce our overhead cost and lead time. Now my team is getting sustainable results in all the departments and really very happy with Skylift. Thanks to all.